This is a coin trick from Chris Angel's video that I see in YouTube, and I will kinda reveal it to you. What the first thing you need to do is the glass. This is a clear glass. You can see there's nothing on it. It's clean. Then second thing you need is the 3 coins. You have different colors, but if possible, you must have 3 of the same kind or 2, like that. You need that. The trick will be something like this. First, you take the three coins, then you will count it in your left hand, the 3, then put it back in your right, and put it back in your left. So you need to do is get the glass. So you get the glass, and do it. Then we will do something. This is the trick. Now see, there's nothing on it. There's nothing on it. Then I will like to shake it a little bit. Now there's your coin. See, the coin's in there. Now, to reveal the trick, the first thing you need to do is count it first hand. 1, 2, 3. Then transfer it to the right hand. Transfer it here. Then you need to do is practice it so that you can palm one of the coin. Then transfer the 2 coins in here. That will make a sound that there is a coin there. When you palm it here, you get the glass like this. Palm it, then your thumb will get the back part, and the front part of your hand will get the glass. That like this. And you see that the coin is in here, in your hand that is been palmed. Then get the glass there. You do some things so the audience will say that it's really magic. So you shake your hands a little bit, then the coins in there, then let them see that the two coins is in your left hand. That's the coin in a glass party trick. I hope you like it. This is my first reveal in YouTube. So thanks. Put comments, please.